Angelica, Angel, Eka, Love, my wife. Hindi ka man araw-araw nakangiti at ilang beses na din tayong humihindi. Hindi na mabilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away bati natin, hindi na namamalaya. Ngunit sa huli, palagi, sa'yo lamang ako lagi uuwi.
I'm very happy dahil natupad mo mga pangarap mo sa buhay. I love you, anak ko. Mahal na mahal kita.
Love you, Ma.
Naluluwa tuloy ako, ha?
Thank you lang sa
Pagiging matigas ang ulo.
pag-alaga, paggabay, pagsuporta sa lahat.
Naka, ako naiiyak na. Be a good husband and a good dad sa magiging anak.
Our journey together has been so easy and natural. Meron palang taong mabait lang, ang hilig lang matulog, ang haba ng pasensya, laging may puwang sa puso para sa kabutihan at konting iligal. Joke lang. Lagi kang andyan para samahan ako.
You can go wherever you wanna go, to the moon. Yes, you can. But what's the fun in doing it alone? Don't you know it's better with a friend? Everyone, it's better with a friend. You can do whatever you wanna do. See the world, go traveling. But happiness goes two by two, arm in arm and hand in hand,
Kasya kaya?
side by side. With
Pag naka-coat, yes. Pag naka-t-shirt, king.
better with a friend.
Aray, tikit-tikit na raw kayo. Parang po. Ayan.
You can be whatever you wanna be. President or beauty
Love, nagkaon ka na, love. Thank you, love. Time is gold. You are lucky to have both. See you later. Mwah. Yeah.
Thank you for being my best friend and giving me so much friends. I cannot promise you many things, but my heart and every emotion that comes with it.
Hindi ko makakalimutan ang araw na una kitang nakita. Friday, naka-floral ka. At ang una nating pag-uusap, Tuesday night sa isang Filipino restaurant. Na parang ayaw ko nang matapos ang araw dahil gusto pa kitang kasama. Kaya nung makilala kita, sinabi ko na
Thank you, love.
nakita ko na ang lifetime partner.
Hi, love. Hindi na ako makapaghintay na maging asawa mo. Mahal na mahal kita. Sana magustuhan mo ang pinakamahal na pako na nakita ko. I love you so much.
When I close my eyes, you're standing next to me,
Ang pinakamahal na pa ako.
kissed by the
Kamahal na pa ako!
dancing through the trees.
Yan pa rin?
You let your hair down past your shoulder.
Pagan to?
Yan o, ganun.
I took your hand and pulled you closer.
Kiss na eh.
The rivers run wild with a stream of miracles. But once in my life, I'm afraid to let it go. Now I know that love is patient. For you, I don't mind waiting. I can't pass that time, spend each day of mine with you on my mind. I can't draw the lines between you and I. Hold you by my side for the rest of my life.
Salamat sa 3 taon na ngayon ay panghabang buhay na pagmamahalan at pagsusuportahan sa hirap man o ginhawa.
My love, mula ngayon, wala nang ako, ikaw, akin at sa'yo. Ang meron na lang tayo, kasama ng Diyos at ng ating magiging anak.
Mamahalin kita habang buhay kasama ang Diyos. Mahal na mahal kita.
Yun.
It feels like time standing still whenever I'm with you in a field of daffodils in